Step into the 2017 Ford F-150. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.